Number 19 says solve the polynomial equation 3x to the fifth plus 6x to the fourth minus 72x cubed equals 0 by factoring. So the first thing we should do here is see if there's any common factors. Well, they all have the number factor of 3 in common, and let's see if we can pull out any variables. Well, we have x to the fifth, x to the fourth, and x cubed, so we're going to be able to pull out an x cubed from each of those. When I factor that out of the first term, I'm left with just x squared. Factoring out of the second term, left with 2x. And then 72 divided by 3, so we get negative 24, and the x cubes cancel off. So we factored out one piece, which now allows us to factor a little bit more inside of the parentheses. So I still have 3x cubed out front. Inside of the parentheses, we're going to be able to factor into the x plus blank, x plus blank. And we need two numbers that multiply to negative 24 but add to positive 2. And that's plus 6 and minus 4. Still all equal to 0. So now I have three groups here. I've got 3x to the third times x plus 6 times x minus 4, which means if they're all being multiplied to equal 0, that means at least one of them needs to be equal to 0. So what makes the first term equal to 0? That would be x equals 0. What makes x plus 6 equal to 0? That's x equals negative 6. And what makes x minus 4 equal to 0? That's x equals positive 4. So we have three answers. X equals 0, x equals negative 6, and x equals positive 4.